One of the worst problems to have is a pixel that isn't trained effectively for the buyers that you want. Or maybe you just inherited or started a brand new Facebook account and you have a pixel that doesn't know where to find your customers or who they are. Hey, I'm Austin Floyd, founder of Attention Labs and digital marketer. And in this video, we're gonna break down how to train your pixel. And if you haven't already yet, make sure to press the subscribe button so you get notified when videos just like this come out in the future. Let's dive into it. Now, one of the problems that I see a lot of people have is they either trained their pixel improperly or they have a brand new pixel that doesn't know who their customers are and it's never gotten data yet. So let's cover how you can kickstart this process of training a brand new pixel or help to reiterate to the pixel who your unique customer really is. The first thing you're gonna have to do is go into the Facebook platform and set up in an offline event set. So just go under events, click pixels, click offline event set that up. That's the first thing that you're going to need to do. Make sure you have access to that. Otherwise, you won't be able to follow step 2 and step 3. So once you've done that, head over to your list, whatever that is, whether it's a buyer's list, whether it's an add to cart list, whether it's a subscribers or lead list, whatever you're trying to feed the pixel, head over there and make sure that that is formatted only with high quality leads, number 1, and number 2, that everything is timestamped. You want to make sure that these dates are all timestamped, because what Facebook is doing using this list is it's trying to match this list to ads that you currently have running to say that that pixel did capture those conversions. But instead, what we're doing is showing that pixel who the actual buyer is, what they look like, and giving it a bit more data so that it can use that to find people similar to it on the Facebook platform. You have to make sure this is timestamped because it's supposed to be a retroactive list. It's looking at the past to try to match purchases to your current ads. So do that first. Make sure that this list is timestamped with dates. It has value, it is only high quality leads, and all that is really important because of step number 3. When we upload this formatted list for these specific events, whether that's lead or whether that's purchase, we want to make sure that these are really high quality people. And the reason is we are training this pixel on a fresh basis. And in order to train the pixel properly, effectively, and to make sure that it actually can go and find the customers that we want, we can only feed it data that we want it to know. So if we're giving it a bunch of $1 to $5 conversion, then we're going to end up trying to find those people with the pixel. So ultimately, to create this pixel, a really good pixel that allows you to scale quickly, to reach your customers easily, and to even advertise without using any form of interest or lookalike audience, nothing, no custom audiences, and to let that actually refine itself, get to the 50 conversions a week and scale, we're gonna have to make sure this pixel is trained properly and is finding the people that we want. So that's it. That's how you train your pixel. I want you to drop in the comments below if you're gonna try this or if you have tried it and what results you've seen. Otherwise, make sure to press the subscribe button so you get notified when videos just like this come out in the future.